Recently, I had a video go viral and it's now sitting at 115,000 views. I want you to know what happens when a video goes viral, how much I actually made, and how it can change your channel in a good way and a not so good way if you're not careful. Hey, I'm Dee Dee, and thank you so much for being here. But I need to give you a little context around my channel before I dive deep into the specifics. I posted my very first video on this channel on October the 15th, 2025. I didn't tell anyone about my channel so that it could grow organically. It was kind of slow at first, but that's what I really expected. But I was really happy with the numbers I was seeing. So between October 15th and December 15th, I was averaging about 300 views per video, and I had about 78 subscribers at this time. I wasn't anywhere near monetization when my video popped off. I posted this video. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to make money on YouTube. And it started just like every other video, but on the second day, I could really tell something was happening. My numbers were jumping, my subscribers were coming so fast, and faster than they had ever come before. It was so exciting to watch. And the video, it just kept going and going. And every time I thought it was about to slow down, it took off again. And I posted this video on December the 30th. Just a little over 2 months after I started. Today it's actually starting to slow down just a little bit, so I wanted to take this time to talk to you about what all has happened. There are several things you want to happen when a video goes viral, and a few things that you might not want to happen. So let's talk about it. Number one, you really want your target audience to be the ones that are watching your video. If they're not, then what you're saying may not resonate with them and they'll click off too soon. But I got really lucky here. My target audience, it was really being found in this video. And I took this screenshot here on December 28th, just 2 days before the big video. And it shows that my audience was made up of mostly 25 to 34-year-olds. That's not my target audience. My target audience is people more my age, 40 to 65 and over. And I took this next screenshot here on January the 4th, and it shows like it's really moving towards my target audience. They're the ones that are watching the videos. And this made me extremely happy. But as my video went along, it started skewing a little bit younger again, as you'll see in this graph. But all in all, I'm really happy here, and I know that it will adjust more over time. The number two thing that you want to happen is, if you're not monetized, you hope a viral video will get you there, and then you can stop focusing so much on the numbers, and start focusing on what worked and what didn't work. And if you don't know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. And I was not monetized when I posted this video, but I reached 1,000 subs on January 3rd, just a few days after posting it. But it took me about 16 more days to get the 4,000 watch hours I needed. I made tons of notes in my journal, and I took lots of screenshots during this time, so I would have some reference points, and then at some point I knew I wanted to share all of this with you. I thought it might help you on your journey. One side note here is that YouTube lets you apply for the partner program when you're getting close to the numbers. So I actually got notification and submitted for partnership on January the 19th, and I was accepted just a few hours later. And I officially hit the 4,000 watch hours on January 23rd. However, you need to know that YouTube is behind on its calculations, so I didn't actually start getting paid until the YouTube watch hours caught up on their side, which was on January the 26th. I was elated. I was really thrilled. So actually, I got monetized on this channel in 14 weeks, and I'm so happy and thankful about that. And you'll see here that my first day of monetization, I made $11.45. So let's talk really quick about how much I get paid now. Because you get paid based on what your advertisers are willing to pay in your niche. And it can change daily. Literally daily. So on my first day of monetization, I believe the rate was about $1.98 per 1,000 views, or RPM, which is rate per mil. Today it sits around $4.28. Tomorrow it might be $4.58. And I expect this to rise as YouTube figures out my channel even more. And as of today, here's what I have made on YouTube. Just from AdSense. I've made $324.87. This is not quite 1 month of monetization. So this, you will see, is why you really need other streams of income from YouTube. So now let's talk about the next thing that you want to happen, and that's number 3. You want monetization to come in other ways. I already had affiliate links in my videos for the gear that I use. I also had some free downloads and lead magnets. I had already been seeing success here, but once this video went off, I really saw everything being clicked on. My Amazon affiliate income went up. My email list really started to take off. I also created a school community so that when people wanted more questions answered and they wanted to go a little bit deeper than me, they could join the community for free. I also opened up some one-to-one coaching calls. This was more like channel reviews and kind of helping you get unstuck. I really saw success here quickly too. I realized that people really need help here. So you want to make sure that you're ready when your time comes. Have these workflows already in place and ready for your viewers to be able to work further with you, because if you don't have it in place, that's just more work you're going to have to add to your plate. Do this when you've got a little bit of downtime. And these are the main things that I was looking forward to happening if a video went viral. And they all went really well. So now let's talk about the things that didn't go quite as well. Number one, your comments can get a little bit crazy. It was really hard to keep up with all the comments that were coming in. I have over 2,000 comments just on that video alone. And at first they were really from my core audience and then real supportive. But then they kind of started coming in from all over the world. Like I said, most were very supportive, but some were just downright strange. And I felt like I did the best I could here, but you just want to make sure that you keep your comment space a safe one. Delete anything that is over the top negative, but answer as many as you can with honesty, truth, and integrity. And number two, your core audience may change rapidly. I was growing my audience slowly, building that trust, and then all of a sudden the numbers started changing so fast it was hard to keep up. Your numbers will get skewed here. A viral video has a way of lowering all of your stats across your channel because your click-through rate's going to change, your average view duration is going to change. And if that's the biggest video you've got, those numbers are going to influence your analytics more, especially as it gets pushed out to more and more people on the fringes of your target audience. They don't watch as long and they can hurt your next videos that are coming out because they don't watch them either. But there's nothing really you can do about this but be mindful and keep putting out the good content. The tendency might be to think you need to stop posting for a little bit and let your viral video breathe, but I don't advise this. I kept posting and those new viewers were watching these as well. And one other thing that's important to note here is that my viral video did pull up all my other older videos with it. People were binge watching down the list, and it was really cool to watch those people going in watching down the row. Number three negative thing that can happen is that it makes you really worry about what the topic of your new video should be about. You start overthinking because you're thinking, oh, I need to do something about that. And I always say, repeat what works. But I wasn't ready to invite an audience of get-rich-quick people. Not that this is what my video was about, but I think some people thought it was. I got a lot of people in my comments asking how to make money right now. Like, they were really confused. But I wanted a viewership that wants to grow a YouTube channel that would turn into a profitable business. I really didn't change my core pillars on my channel, but I also wanted to keep that momentum going. And yes, I will do more monetization videos because I think you all need to know how all this works, and you need to know all the ways that you can make money on YouTube. But I will also be keeping my core pillars in place of mindset and tactical and the know-how and how-to videos on how to be successful on YouTube and how to run your gear and set up your lights. And the best part about a video going viral is the instant credibility and validation it gives you. I say this not in a bragging way, but I knew I could do it. But sometimes we need proof, not only for ourselves, but also for others to see it and believe in us. I just wanted to let you know what was going on my YouTube channel, where I was at monetarily, and I do want to let you know that I appreciate each one of you, and if I can help in any way, I'm here. And like I said, I have a free community called the Confident Creator Circle on School where you can get all of your questions answered just between us and the people that are in there if you need the help. The link is in the description. And I hope you found this video inspiring and useful, knowing that you can go viral at any minute. And if you haven't watched that viral video, you can watch it next right here. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.